what's up, fellas? Gonna be doing an oil change and gonna be changing the oil filter assembly as well because this sucker doesn't have VTEC right now. The ABS and check engine light are on right now, and I can't go over 4,500 RPM. So we got some OEM Honda parts. OEM Honda parts, Jordan.
That's right.
Look at that sucker. Great success in 3 seconds. 3, 2. Let's see if there's any schmutz in the filter, eh? There she goes. That's actually not bad.
Is that the screen?
Yeah.
What's built into there?
That's not bad at all. I will now make one of installation.
On the thing, I always forget it.
Now that's synthetic. Now that's synthetic.
100%.
Just a dip, truthfully. Just another dip. Just another dip. I cross-threaded that one, but it's holding it. It's just a block, who cares? It's just a block. Ew! Oh, it's a false fire hanging off. Oh my god! Oh, I'm gonna throw up. What's up, boys? It's the next day. It was going smoothly, but we ran into an issue yesterday where we were plugging in the VTEC solenoid and the cable on the top harness just snapped right off. So we're thinking that was the issue the whole time because with it completely unplugged and the cable broken, we're still getting the exact same issue. So the issues that it could have been this screen here. So there's a screen on the gasket that goes in this assembly. And usually this screen gets gunked up. Mine had absolutely nothing in it. Gasket looked okay. This assembly actually looks really clean inside. The sensors are covered in gunk, but I think that's just axle grease or something. But yeah, we couldn't really figure out what was wrong with this. So we just assumed it was the solenoid, right? But I think it was actually the connection between the solenoid because if you look, there's a bunch of corrosion in the plug. So we got a new one of these. Got a new pigtail here. Gonna wire this up. The good thing is though, with that new cable, we'll have some extra slack in the line. So should be good after this. Hopefully we have VTEC. We'll see.
I can see it. Yeah.
So should we zip tie it up, you think?
Yeah, then we'll.
Yeah.
So it doesn't go into the belt train.
That's way better. With the centerpiece, it's actually gonna look nice.
Yeah, show them what I did.
What did you do, Jordan?
Yeah. Nick's house is like a sandbox game for cars where you're not afraid to make mistakes because it's not your car.
What's up, boys? It's a new day. Didn't really film too much yesterday just because we were just working on the car and kind of wanted to just focus on that. But we did fix that solenoid wire. We attached a new pigtail to the wire that comes off the solenoid. A couple new things. The new centerpiece for the grill. It's actually a used Type-S one, so I gotta clean this up. I can use some metal polish and clean this up and then throw it on the front. So this just had like fake carbon wrap on it before. So we just took that off. Now it's got the chrome upper and lower. And I'm gonna do the chrome middle bar. I'm gonna take this one off because you can see the paint's coming off pretty bad. It's like a dark chrome, so it actually matches the lips on the TEs. So, hoping that'll look good. We'll see. Here's the new cross brace. Here's the old one. Just got everything back in. You know, a job that probably could have taken 20 minutes ended up taking me an hour. You might be wondering why the TL's back in the air again. New meat. Fresh meat, suckers. Went with some Nankangs again. I really like the CRS on the C63, so went with the AR1 this time. They're 10 mil wider, so these are two 35, 40, 18. But I'm just gonna take the 5 mil spacer off here, and then it's 10 mil wider across, so 5 each side. Should pull the offset back in. Should be the same fitment. These are 100 tread wear, and the RT660s were 200, so these should hook quite a bit better. They're super soft. You guys might think I'm crazy for this, but I like to go around and denib the tires, so I'll pull every single one of these things off. These little nibs. I just think they're kind of stupid looking. Let's drop this sucker, see how she looks. We are golden. 235s work perfectly. I'm gonna take the TL out for a drive. Let's get this thing started up, go for a drive. I'm gonna try and mic up the engine bay. I think that'd be kind of cool, just a little different. I just want to see what it sounds like, so I already have these hood spacers, so I can just kind of feed it through there and just go through the window. What's happening, boys? I'm just editing this video right now. It's been probably another month or two since I've uploaded, so sorry about that. You might be able to tell, you might not. Still got the same computer set up here, but we are in a different spot. We're actually right next to the cars. So we moved, like I said. I don't know if you guys can see me. I'll turn some lights on in here. I think the main lights are over here. Got a little detailing shelf. Got the keychains. Pretty cool, pretty cool. I'm not really gonna do like a house check or whatever in this video, but this garage is pretty cool. It's got speakers everywhere, like literally everywhere on the wall. They're all wired up or everywhere. There's a bunch of stuff in here because we're still moving in, obviously. Don't mind the lines on the ground. It's just wiring that I have going on right now. Got a bunch of shelves behind me with tools and car parts and all that. But yeah, my desk is right beside my cars. So there's just two of them in here right now. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Very, very happy to be here. You guys let me know if you want me to do like kind of some sort of like a house tour type thing. We're doing renos inside right now, but I could show you guys like the property kind of, just like the backyard and the garage and stuff more in depth. Let me know if that's something you're interested in seeing. I would be happy to do it. Probably 2 months ago at this point, the C63 was an import fest. Barely driven it. As you can tell, the import fest competitor sticker is still on it. So I've honestly barely driven my cars this summer. It's kind of sad. Just been busy with the move, but we're back now, so I can actually make some content, even though it's supposed to be winter. But hopefully at this house I can actually do stuff in the winter, so whatever. So quick updates for this thing. The PS4S were cording, so I ordered rear tires for this car. And then when I went to go take it to the shop, of course, the passenger front tire blew up. So this car was stuck in a different garage for about a week. We got an Nanking CRS. We got the CRS front and back. If I remember correctly, I went a size up on this one. I'm loving them right now. It's a 200 tread wear compound. In decently warm weather, this thing's dead hooking second gear. So I'm really liking them so far. And I think they look super cool too with this kind of, I don't even know what you'd call that pattern, but they look cool, bit chunkier. So I like that a lot. Don't mind all this. This is a stove and various other things. Like I said, we're getting the renos done. The Z, to be honest, I might make a full separate video for this thing. It has a pretty sad fate at the moment. The master and the slave blew up pretty much right after the last video. So this thing's just been sitting, very sad, because not gonna lie, it's like my favorite car to drive around. You know, it's, even though it's stock, I love the way it drives, I love the way it feels, love the way it looks. So very sad. I think I'll make a full video on this because a couple things that need to be addressed. Actually, I am not super happy with what's going on, so you can expect a full video on that pretty soon. Might have to call some people out, you never know. You might be wondering where the TL is. Actually, let's go check it out. All right, we are outside. So here she is. She is in the backyard. This is in the backyard. The driveway's up here, so got the TL in the backyard right now. It's a little dirty because it's been raining on and off, and I just haven't really had time to touch this thing. Here's the front yard, you know. So there's where I'm sitting. That's where my gaming desk is, and then that's where this thing's been chilling. So pretty cool. I could definitely squeeze 3 in the garage. It's just a bit of a pain, and I like to drive this thing typically every day. Just haven't been driving the past couple days. I do think what I'm gonna do for when I park this thing outside, I'm gonna get like a bit of a sail thing that like goes over top and just protects the car from sun and rain and all that. Like I said, I have some import fest footage to edit, so I'm gonna throw that in the video now, and let's jump into it.
Gotcha, bro.
Let's hear it.
Gotcha, gotcha. I gotta blow my shit up. Right here, right here, right here, right here.